Okay, so hello everyone, hope you guys are doing good. My name is Adarsh, and in today's video we are going to review this software, 4K Views software. Okay, the name of the software is 4K Views, and basically this is made in .NET framework, and this is basically a window form application. Alright, so before you buy this program, let's see, I've already bought a license of this program and it was priced at $249 on their website. Okay, so I bought a license, and now let's see how this program basically works. Okay, so this is the whole program. As you can see over here, this is the SEO area, this is the chatbot, this is options area where they have added a variety of options, like you can use proxy, or if you don't use proxy, there are a set of VPNs which you can use, and when you choose the free proxy option, and you can also run on your main browser or main computer IP. Okay, so and here there are options like you can run it in phone mode or on desktop mode. So there are a variety of phones, or let's say these are the user agents, or you can choose the size of the browser. So if we click no here, and then this is for desktop mode only. Okay, so as you can see here there are a lot of options. So for what you want to automate, so basically this is to automate Instagram, Facebook gaming, blogger, YouTube embed, Twitch, Twitter, and there are a lot of options if you want to automate on these platforms. Okay, for automating on this platform. And as you know, we are going to automate browsers over here, or this software is going to automate browser over here. So basically you can run those browsers in hidden mode, or down mode, basically where the UI will be hidden, or manual mode. When we choose manual mode, we get to see an option where we can modify the length and breadth of the browser, so that when the browser opens, it opens in a specific length and breadth, so that we can optimize the CPU usage of the computer. If browser will be small in size, then less CPU will be consumed. It's something like that. Okay, so this is manual, this is down, this is hidden browser, or running in headless mode. This is made for running in headless mode. Okay, so I don't know if this works or not, because I have not tested it yet, and this is the first time I'm using it. Okay, so this is username password section of if you are using a proxy, and this is the option if you want to open it in browser with direct URL, or Google search view, YouTube search plus. There are a variety of features, and this is for developer mode. I don't know if we have to use it or not. And then this is the fast processing area, where we can enter a simple YouTube video URL. So let's, for example, just okay, so I can like copy this URL. Okay, so we are just going to copy the URL of this video. Okay, and current view is 3. Okay, and the real time view is 0. So now what we'll do is we'll try to inflate the view. Okay, we'll paste the YouTube video URL over here, and then we'll add browser count as 5 and watch time as 60 seconds per each browser. Okay, and let's go to options, and then keep it manual, so that browsers are not hidden and we can see what automation is going on. Okay, so now everything is selected, and now phone mode is turned off. And okay, this, let's keep it on default, and we are using a PC IP to automate these things. Okay, then let's not touch this area, move to fast processing area, and these are a set of proxies I got from proxy scrape API. So basically this is the API, and when you refresh here, you get a set of proxies, or basically these proxy update every hour or after every 2 to 3 hours. Okay, so we got a set of proxy. Now let's just copy and repaste those proxies, and we got 758 fresh proxies over here, out of which only some of them which don't work, and most of them actually work. Okay, so these are the list of proxies, free proxies actually. Let's test it. Okay, now we'll click on start, and it says manual with enabled, but we can't see any browser or any type of automation going on. So maybe that's happening in hidden mode. Let's see if views are getting counted or not. So basically 5 browser count is here, and 60 watch time is here. So 5 views should increase. But let me tell you something. This software didn't run, because when I click on start here, it should actually open 5 Chrome browsers, and then it should automate the views process there. So I can't see those 5 Chrome browsers over here, and not the automation process. And if we go here, then we see that the real-time view is currently 0, so it has not increased, or neither it will increase as far as I can analyze this, because no activity is done here, and this button has again turned into the colorful button instead of that gray button. It means this function is not working right now. Okay, and then this is all about the fast processing area. The browser is not working. Okay, now we'll move to turbo view, and then we have an option called YouTube live. Okay, then blade mode and sword mode and YouTube live option. Let's choose the YouTube live option, and let's choose random user agents, or we can use Apple, or let's move on to random. You know why we are choosing random? Because random, there are a lot of user agent in this list of this software, so it can utilize each and every random user agent, so it will become more better and usable. Now let's keep threads at 500. 500 is a good number actually. Okay, now let's move to let's, as you can see, this is a random YouTube live stream I found, and then we just have to grab the ID of the live stream. So this is the ID of this live stream. Okay, let's copy this ID, and now let's just paste this ID over here. Okay, and now let's add some fresh proxies over here as well. So okay, copy. Now let's paste some fresh proxies over here. Okay, now we'll click on start. Threads are okay, 500 threads we have given, and these will be random, and the option is YouTube live, and YouTube video live ID is given. Now let's click on start. Okay, so as I clicked start, I guess it called an environment exit call, and the software is killed, so it basically don't work. Okay, so now when we execute this, basically this fast processing area is a trash. It does not work. As you know, browsers don't work open, nor it automates them. So now let's see if views have increased here. So as we see, views are still 0, means even after 1 to 2 minutes the activity don't take place and nothing happens. Basically nothing happens in this area. This is basically useless, even if I've used proper proxies and everything is correct over here. And then if we go to turbo views, basically this option, this is also a trash. This does not work. As I saw in their YouTube video, this works, and according to their YouTube video, this was able to inflate the live viewer of the YouTube live stream. Okay, but in my case, when I click on start, it just exits. Okay, it does not work. Okay, so now fast processing area does not work, turbo view does not work, and when we click on proxy pulls, so basically we don't need this, because this basically pulls some proxies from public APIs, so we don't need those dead proxies. Okay, so now what we are going to check is, we have some options area over here which we can explore. If you click on Google search view, and then if you put hello world or something similar to this, okay, let's keep it hello world. Okay, and now if we enter over here, okay, let's not put YouTube video here, let's just keep it http .com, and now let's start this. And as you can see, this does not start, means this area does not work. And as far as I know, the only problem can be here in updating this Chrome. So basically this Chrome portable is no longer working, because this needs to be updated. And I downloaded the latest version of this Thankyou software, and as you can see, this does not work, and there are a lot of things to be updated. And even if they update it, I can assure you that it can't bot views which will not drop, or it will not affect bad to your channel. Or basically this is just final review of my about the software. This is basically a trash software. You should not consider to buy this, because this is basically what it's doing. It's using some set of proxies to send views to your YouTube videos. Okay, so without a valid Google account, your views will not be counted on YouTube. That's a fact. If you don't trust me, you can test on your own. You just open a Chrome browser, don't log into it with a Google account or YouTube account, and then watch a video, and make sure you have the analytics of that video. When you give a view to that video, you'll see that no views are counted if you're not logged in using a Google account and watching the video. But if you're logged in into a Google account, and then if you are watching a YouTube video, then the view will be counted, because Google account means that specified that this view is coming from a legit user. So the algorithm of YouTube don't have to verify that once again, because this is a real user, because it's using Google account. Many bots also do that, but still those are caught later and the views are dropped. Okay, the views are deducted later. So Google has a very powerful technology to determine if the views are coming from legitimate source or not, or if they are botted views or coming from any third-party site provider, or coming from botnets, or coming from like botting from this type of softwares, or the views are coming from proxies, data center proxies, free proxies, or coming from invalid sources. So YouTube has a high and powerful technology to detect those kind of views and remove those kind of views. So it will quickly filter all your views, and if not, then it will take around 48 to 72 hours to filter those kind of botted views, and it will definitely remove. So for YouTube, this type of software using proxies are basically a trash. So my recommendation will be work on your videos instead of wasting too much money on this software. You can use those money to create better content which will attract more real user, and they will interact with you and will help you become a very good creator. Okay, so this was all a simple review of this software. So now this is up to you whether you want to buy or not, because this was just a legit test whatever I did with this software, and now, as you know, this does not work. Okay, so now this is it, and now I'm going to leave because I have some kind of work and I have to finish those before I get too late. Okay, so now we are ending the video right over here. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more reviews and different type of videos on technologies, for reverse engineering, analysis, and like making good projects on coding, software development, software engineering, and a lot of different and great things we're going to do on this channel. Most of the time I really don't have time to make videos, and I like feel it boring to make, but you know, when I start to make it, like I really enjoy doing that. But I don't know why sometimes I feel like it's really boring to make videos, but I'll try my best to continue making videos for you guys. So don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and make sure your bell icon is turned on so that you get regular notifications. Okay, so bye for now. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Tata, take care, bye.